Hi guys, it's Ron, singer from Montreal. I'm not going to be singing today, but there have been so many vlogs lately. They've been coming out of me like butter. Such a gift I discovered I didn't know I had. It's wonderful. I just enjoy it so much doing them. And I'm told a lot of people are starting to really like them, and it means a lot to me. Now, here's something, okay? I had a friend named Jeff Rothman, and we went way back to grade school. And he was a comic then. And I thought he was going to be, a comic. And I was the singer. Everyone knew me for that. And, everyone thought I would take it pretty far. I did okay so far. But my point was that I had found this puppet, like a Jim Henson quality puppet, years ago at an actual family garage sale. And I was thinking about doing a puppet act, okay? And then it just crossed my mind, Jeff Rothman, and how, he's become a writer with Jeff Dunham, who is a ventriloquist puppeteer, and he's got like 4 characters, I think 5, ready to come out. And because of the way I was raised and my morals and values, like, I didn't feel right about just coming out with this puppet act thing, just like that. It just didn't feel right, okay? So, here I see Jeff Dunham's act about 6 months ago on TV, and he came out and actually said, we need more ventriloquist puppeteers in our world. So, it kind of alleviated maybe that feeling and that guilt a little bit more about coming out with one. So, the fact that I heard him say that, like I said, it made me feel a little more comfortable now about trying this, but tries to be okay. I'm a super rookie, like I'm winging it right now. It's still so hard to remember not to move your mouth. That's I don't know how many re-recordings I've done today. This will be my 5th. Like, it is tough. I've got my routine written beside me on a pizza box, okay? And just that alone is tough. So I'm just going to wing it and take a shot, Obviously, if I like the recording, I got to keep it, right? So I thought I would take a little shot at it, guys. Show maybe a little third gift I was given. I don't know. You could be the judge of that, So here we go. Here's a friend of mine I'm going to introduce you to. So, tell them your name. My name is Kelo. So tell them where you're from. I'm from Transylvania. And no, I am not a vampire, okay? Ha! Good one, Kelo. Hey, Kelo. What are you doing? What? Talk you to behave. Okay. What's wrong? I was thinking of my love, Natasha. What's wrong? She had the most beautiful, biggest blue eyes. I got you all you birthday ones. Oh. Behave. Okay. So you tell me that you're skilled in the arts of languages and love. Oh, yeah. Hey, what did I say about the respect of women? Okay, sorry. Okay, so, what are you going to start? What do you think are some of the most sexy language we'll say? Yeah. French. Allô, bébé. Comment ça? Tu donnes-moi un petit bec, quoi. What other one do you think's really good? Spanish. Oh, yeah. Pepito, my pretty little angel, my Pepito. Ah, you're fun today. For sure, fun, always fun. Ah, he's funny. Ooh, yes. What do you got? Like a pushkin. Would you like to have a little vodka? Maybe we cuddle after. Ah. Ooh, what was that? Oh, sometimes my call slips out. Oh, yeah. What else you got? Yo, mate, why don't we grab a dog? Hey. Ha, that was a good one. I told you I would skill these arts. Ha, you're fun today. What else you got? Hey, my beauty. I got a little mixed up. What were we gonna go for? Come down to the beach. Oh no, I messed up. No. Does that mean a re-recording? Yes. I'm so sorry. Well, let's try to think quick, okay? Yeah. Do you have a suggestion? Oh, yeah, that's a good topic. But of course, to me, the woman is like a piece of art. Every part of woman is like a piece of art. You know what? You're right. It's true. They're kind of like hard not to desire, right? For sure. Hey, what did I tell you about the respect? Sorry. But it's true. They really are works of art. Every part is a work of art. You're pretty deep. I told you this. So, you got any kind of meeting call? Of course. Like the first one. That's a simple one. The more complicated ones is more like your human laughing. Hey, never heard that one before. Yes. How about another one? That is the one. Really? Yes. So, I think that's going to wrap it up with my winging it. I don't know how I did. I'm going to have to review this after. What do you think how we did? I guess not bad for first recording. We're going to get a little bit better for sure. But it was nice to have met you. What's wrong with your leg? What's wrong with your leg? Oh, the most gorgeous, beautiful woman just walked by. Really? What? Yeah, you're blind? I'm working with you. Sorry. What did I say about respect of women? What did we just say? What did we just say? Didn't we just say they are like works of art? Holy cow, you're deep. You're smart. You got me there, my friend. Of course. So that wraps it up. Ron Singer from Montreal. Thought I'd take a swing at this third little adventure. So much left of Facebook and YouTube. So you gonna say bye, Kelo? Bye, Kelo. Much love. I'm out. You have to behave next time.